Ever wondered what separates billionaires from the rest of the world? It's not just yachts, private islands, or expensive watches. It's the way they think, act, and live every single day. Today, we uncover what they do differently, and why it matters. Before the money came, the mindset did. Billionaires have a long-term vision. They're obsessed with leverage, using time, people, systems, and capital to multiply results. They don't chase income, they chase assets that make money while rich people don't work harder. They work smarter. They build businesses, brands, and investments. They see problems as opportunities. And they study other rich people like scientists studying patterns. Billionaires wake up early, often by 5 a.m. They avoid distractions and protect their time. They read, meditate, journal, or plan before the world wakes up. That first hour of the day sets the tone for their success. They see their body as a performance machine. Exercise is a non-negotiable habit. They don't overschedule. Instead, they focus only on high-impact tasks. Every calendar entry has a purpose. Billionaires don't spend to look rich. They spend to get richer. They invest in knowledge, networks, and assets. They rent luxury when it makes sense, and they rarely buy things that don't make money. Billionaires know the game is rigged, and they learn the rules. They surround themselves with smarter people. They build teams, not to-do lists, and they think in decades, not days. One key trait? They never stop learning. Billionaires read more books than most people watch TV. They learn from mentors, failures, and competitors. Every day is a lesson. And every mistake is tuition. You don't need millions to think like a billionaire. You need clarity, focus, and action. If you found value in this video, subscribe to Cashora, where we decode the luxury mindset and millionaire habits every week. Wealth starts in the mind.